Good morning, year ones, and today I am going to teach you another sound. Air, air, air. That's not fair. That's not fair. And it looks something like this. The children are telling them grown-up that it's not fair that she gets to have the cakes. They're a little bit grumpy. Air, that's not fair. For this sound, what I would like you to do is to stamp your feet because you think it is not fair. Air, that's not fair. Good job. And it looks something like this. 3 letters that make one sound are called, well done, special friends. This is special friends air. When 3 letters together make one sound, they are called special friends. This is special friends air. When you see the letter A, I and R together, you know that it makes the air sound. Good job. Air, that's not fair. Good job. So I'm going to hide this sound. When you see this sound, you point and say, found you. Well done. Or, R, J, Qu, U, A, V, Sh, X, Air, found you. Let's do it again. W, K, R, E, I, O, Z, Nk, Ow, found you. Well done, we found the air sound. Let's do it once more. Let's see if we can do it a little bit faster. Ch, y, oi, ng, or, r, j. Found you. Well done, we found the air sound. Let's remember 3 letters that make one sound are called special friends. So this is special friends air. I have got some green words for us now. Remember, special friends, thread in your head. When I push it forward, you can read the word. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Lair. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. This had 2 special friends in it. It had the ch and air, chair. Good job. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Fair. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Stare. Last one, special friends, thread in your head, read the word. Air. Got some more now. You need to look a little bit closer to these words because they have got sounds that we have already learnt. So you need to really think hard about what sound they are. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. D-A, day. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. B-E-N, bean. Special friends, thread in your head, read the word. night, night. Good job. I have got some nonsense words now. Let's see if we can find out their special friends. Special friends. Thread in your head. Read the word. Werp, werp. Special friends. Thread in your head. Read the word. Sare. Special friends. Thread in your head. Read the word. Forg. Last one. Special friends. Thread in your head. Read the word. Sharp. What a load of nonsense. Well done. We have got some red words to read now. Remember, red words are words that we cannot sound out. We just need to know them. No. Your. My. Of. I. The. Put. He. No. Let's see if we can read these a little bit faster. Your. My. Of. I. Oh, they're falling. Put. He. No. Your. My. Oh, did you read them faster than me? I think you did. Good job. We are now going to hold a sentence in our brain so we can write it down. Now, I have been really, really mean with this one and it's quite a long one. So we have to think really, really hard. Today's sentence is, I sat on my chair to brush my hair. How many words are in our sentence today? 9 words are in our sentence. Pinch with me. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. Pinch with me again because that's a really, really long one. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. Tell me. Well done, tell you're grown up. Let's clap it once more. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. Well done. So for this sentence, we need to remember our capital letter. Our capital letter today is the letter I. We also need to be making sure in our sentences we have got finger spaces, a full stop, and our special friend sound today, which is air. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. What's my first word? I, well done, and I can look up here to help me. I. Then you need to remember your finger space. Sat, remember you can use your thread fingers and your sounds to help you with this word. Sat, sat, good job. Sat. I sat on, you can use your sound for that word as well. On, then you need another finger space. I sat on my. My is a red word that we have just read, which is the letter M and the letter Y. I sat on my chair. Ch, air, ch, air, ch, air. Our special friends, ch. And our special friends, air, that we're learning today. I sat on my chair to. Well done. Which is another red word. I sat on my chair to brush. Well done. B-r-u-s-h. Brush. B-r-u-s-h. Brush. B-r-u-s-h. I sat on my chair to brush my, which we've already written in our sentence. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. Well done. Air, which is our special friend sound today. Air. And remember, at the end of a sentence, we need a full stop. Good job. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. I sat on my chair to brush my hair. Remember to take a picture. Rubbing it out. Now it's your turn to write it. Remember to take a picture and send it to the grown-ups in school so we can have a look. See you tomorrow.